Hi everyone, this is Shelly with Life Creates Strength. Thank you so much again for joining me. Go ahead and like and subscribe. We are so happy to have you here at our new channel. I am going to be talking this morning about the basics of how to memorize the books of the Bible. You know, there are little tabs that you can get, and I ordered some from Amazon, and I'm going to show them to you in another video. Once I get my new Bible and my Bible study books and those tabs and some of the highlighters, I'm going to do a whole video on some good supplies and things to really have a good Bible study and the Bible and, you know, how to really get into it and how to read it. For those of you who are just new to spirituality, to Christianity, because I remember when I came into this, when I got born again, I was sort of just dropped into it. So the person who led me into this just sort of left. I mean, really just left. So I started going to church and I had all of these questions. And really what they just kept telling me was just sit and wait and just listen and just listen and listen and listen and listen. And I had these very detailed questions like, how do I read the Bible? How do I learn all of this? I don't know where to start. The Bible is just, it's massive. Where do I start? And they just kept saying, just sit and wait. Just take it all in and just take it all in, take it all in. But I was so hungry and I didn't know where to start. So if you're new to this, let me tell you, start with what's the New Testament. There's two main books, the Old Testament, the New Testament. Go to the New Testament, start with the book of Matthew, and just start reading. And then just take it in and just start reading. If you have questions, you can ask. I'm happy to answer them, but you just sort of need to know where to begin. And the best thing that I do now, like I said, you can get little tabs that to turn to each book. But, you know, there's 39 books in the Old Testament and 27 in the New Testament. And that can be very cumbersome on the edge of your Bible to have all these little tabs. Makes it easier. But if you're really into, I mean, you can tell a person who reads their Bible because their Bible's pretty worn. But if you're really into the Bible and if you're really reading it, then you're going to, after a while, know where to go. You're going to just sort of learn where the books are. But the way that I learned is I have 5 children. And the only way that helped me really get a better understanding of where the books were was by the songs that I sang to them. And there was this little cassette for children, and I wish I still had it, and I wish I could give credit to the Bible teachings that the tune came from. I really do. And if it comes up, then I will certainly give credit to them. But they taught me how to memorize the books of the Bible. I'm going to sing them for you, because hopefully you can play this over and over again, because I still, even to this day, refer to that tune in my head to figure out where the books are. So it helps me a lot to know. So I'm going to sing this for you. And again, in the Old Testament, there are 39 books in the Old Testament. In the Catholic Bible, you will find 46. The Catholic Bible adds a few more testaments and story books. But in Christianity, there are 39. And so that's the one I'm going to be singing for you. Again, I got this from a children's tape, and it has helped me so much through the years. So I'm going to sing it for you, okay? I'm not a singer. Just remember that. I'm not a choir director. So ready? Da, 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 da. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1st and 2nd Samuel, 1st Kings, 2nd Kings, 1st and 2nd Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, Esther, Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, Song of Solomon, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, and the last book, Malachi. So there you go. All the old books of the Old Testament. And you'll notice I was taking a peek because there was parts of the songs where I kind of mess up the books a little bit. And I didn't want to mess up for you. So I didn't want to mess up on my song for you on YouTube because that would be humiliating and embarrassing. So I did write it down. But it has helped me through the years, and I hope it helps you. A little silly, but I don't care. It has helped me, and I hope it helps. So now we're going to move on to the New Testament. There are 27 books in the New Testament, and it starts with Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, who are, the ones that gave the story of Jesus. And so I'm going to sing that song to you now. Excuse me. Are you ready? Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, Acts and the letter to the Romans, 1st and 2nd Corinthians, Galatians and Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, 1st and 2nd Timothy, Titus and Philemon, Hebrews and the book of James, 1st and 2nd Peter, 1st and 2nd, 3rd John, Jude, and Revelations. There you go. That's all 27 books of the New Testament. Now, there were 12 disciples, right? Do you want to know who they were? The 12 disciples of Jesus? There were Peter, Andrew, James, and John, fishermen of Capernaum, Thomas and St. Matthew too, Philip and Bartholomew, James, his brother Thaddeus, Simon, and the one named Judas. 12 disciples here in all, following the Master's call. There you go. That's a way to learn the disciples' names. So again, I got this from a little cassette tape. My children are adults now. They're all out of the house and living their own lives. But this has helped me so much. You've got to start somewhere and use whatever tools help you and are easier for you to make your way to God. We shouldn't have to struggle. We should have to just rest. It shouldn't be work. It should be easy and it should flow for us. It's not something that we should struggle to do. We are all just on a journey towards Him, towards loving Him, and living our life the best way we know. But the way that we can do it is finding these little things that make it easier. And remember, it's not by works. We don't have to do works to do this. We just have to know Him. And the reason that we learn the books and that we study them is so that we can learn how to live our life in peace and in love and to help other people too. So I hope this helps you, and I hope that you have a beautiful and wonderful day. and I'll see you in our next video. Okay? Thanks. This is Shelly signing off, and God bless you. Bye-bye.